Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in exploring the View tab for Google Slides using your computer. Let us be familiar with Google Slides by identifying the functions and commands available on its ribbons. Below the title bar of your presentation is the ribbon. The ribbon consists of the tabs and the command buttons. The third tab in Google Slides is the View tab. The View tab keeps the command buttons for different actions. From the View tab, the Present command button can be used to set the slides to presentation mode. The Present command button is also found at the top right side of the Slides ribbon. In presentation mode, the slides cover the whole screen of your computer device with the controls located on the lower left side. From the View tab, the Motion command button can be used to set the slide transition and object animation. When the Motion command button is clicked, the command box opens for slide transition and object animation. From the View tab, the Master command button can be used to edit the slide's master and style layout. Here in the Master's view, slides can be edited for master format and the styles layout. From the View tab, the Grid View command button can be used to show all slides on a single grid. Here in the Grid View, slides are shown all together on a grid. From the View tab, the Zoom command button can be used to zoom in or zoom out the presentation view on the screen. The presentation view can be decreased to 50% or increased to 100 or 200% of the screen size. From the View tab, the Show Ruler command button launches the rulers on top and left side of the presentation. From the View tab, the Guides command button launches the vertical and horizontal guides of the slides. The vertical and horizontal guides are shown on this slide. From the View tab, the Show Speaker Notes command button opens the Speaker Notes box below the slide. The command can be cancelled by clicking the button again. From the View tab, the Full Screen command button enlarges the presentation view for a full screen view. The full screen view shows only the side panel and removes the tabs and commands. You can find the next tutorial video on exploring the Insert tab for Google Slides using your computer. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.